How to upload longer videos to Instagram story. First, open Instagram. So here, as you can see, that there are some reels and some videos. So I'm gonna show you both on how you can do that. So let's say if you want to upload a longer reel. So let's say there is a reel longer than 30 seconds and it's actually a 1 minute long reel. What you can do is just basically download the reel by pressing on the share icon, and then just download the video by just copying the link and downloading from website, just like that. Copy the link and just go ahead and search up Google, and then just basically go to search Instagram video downloader or story or video, it's up to you. I'm just gonna go ahead and press on video, and here, as you can see, you just gotta put the link and press download. So it's gonna download. It might take a while to download, so you just gotta wait. Close all the ads and you have to wait until it's downloaded. I accidentally refreshed the whole page. Just gonna wait. And here, as you can see, this is the video. I'm just gonna press download. And here, as you can see, the video is downloading. Once I press open in downloads. And here, as you can see, this is a video. So I can just move it into my folder and photos. Move into my photos. So yeah, and you could just basically post this videos onto your Instagram. But let's say if you want to upload a longer reel, so yeah, a video. So uploading a video is pretty simple. You could just basically press on this story icon, and then you could just find the video that you want to upload right over here, and I'm just gonna go with this one. It's actually, but here, as you can see, you can just basically upload a video like it's 60 seconds longer or 1 minute longer, and you could just basically upload it and there is no problem in it. So yeah, this is how to upload longer videos in Instagram story. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and goodbye.